Hi guys, this is Module 7, Lesson 11. Today we will use different strategies to make $1. Hoy vamos a usar diferentes maneras para hacer $1. So, we've been learning about coins and cents and dollar bills and all the different types of bills. So $1, here's $1, is the same as 100 cents, okay? So you can have 100 pennies and that would be the same as $1. Or you could have 10 dimes and that would be the same as $1. Or 20 nickels would be the same as $1. Or 4 quarters would be the same as $1. Okay, so anytime you're talking about $1, remember that it's worth 100 cents. So another way to write $1, so $1 equals 100 cents. Okay, so $1, un billete de $1, es igual a 100 centavos. Ok, así es que puedes tener 100 monedas de 1 centavo es igual a un billete a $1, o 10 monedas de 10 centavos es igual a $1, o 20 monedas de 5 centavos son igual a $1, o 4 monedas de 25 centavos son $1, pero recuerda que siempre $1 está hecho de 100 centavos. Así es que otra manera de escribir $1 es 100 centavos. Okay, so eso lo vamos a ocupar hoy. Alrighty guys, so our instructions are solve and fill in the number bond. Okay, resuelve y llena el enlace numérico. So here's my number sentence. I have 19 cents plus blank equals 100 cents. And here's my number bond. Okay, so remember my total goes up top and it says $1 because that's the same as 100 cents. Okay, and these are my two parts, so I always add my two parts and they're going to equal my total. Okay, so right now, because it says 19 cents, okay, I'm going to put 19 cents in one of my parts, and I'm just trying to figure out this other part, okay? So anytime you have a blank here, so 19 plus blank equals 100 cents, you're going to subtract, okay? So my new number sentence is 100 cents minus 19 cents equals blank, and this is going to give me the number that goes in my blank. Okay, so recuerda, so aquí tengo 19 centavos más algo es igual a 100 centavos, y aquí está mi enlace numérico. Okay, recuerda que el total siempre va acá arriba y total es $1 porque es lo que tengo aquí, 100 centavos. Y estas son mis dos partes que voy a sumar para llegar a $1. So, esta parte 19 centavos es lo que tengo aquí. Y me falta esta otra parte, así es que debo restar 100 menos 19 centavos para encontrar mi número que me falta. Okay, so es lo que voy a hacer. And you guys know I love using the place value chart strategy. So that's how I'm going to solve it. So I have my hundreds, tens, and ones. And I have 100 minus 19. Alrighty, and I'm going to start my ones place, and I have 0 minus 9, and I can't do that because I don't have enough ones, so I'm going to go to my tens place, but I have 0 tens, so I'm going to go to my hundreds place. I'm going to decompose, so now I have 10 tens, then I'm going to decompose again, so now I have 9 tens, I have 10 ones. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 1 is 8, and I have 0 minus nothing in my hundreds place. So my missing part is 81 cents. So I'm going to fill that in my number bond, 81 cents, and in my blanks, 81 cents, okay? So aquí en mi tabla de valor posicional, que hice mi resta, 100 menos 19, mi respuesta fue 81, entonces fue lo que puse aquí en mi parte que faltaba y aquí en mis dos frases numéricas, okay? Y eso es todo. So let's try this one, guys. Same thing. This one has our blank first, though. So it says blank plus 77 cents equals 100 cents. And I have my $1 up here in my total. And I'm going to fill in 77 cents in this part. And now I have to figure out this other part that I'm missing. So you guessed it, I'm going to subtract. So my new number sentence is 100 cents minus 77 cents equals blank. And again, I'm going to use the place value chart strategy that I love, that we practice so much, the square. So I'm going to do 100 cents minus 77. And again, I'm going to start in my ones place. So 0 minus 7. I don't have enough, so I'm going to go over to my tens place. But oh, I only have 0. So I'm going to go over to my hundreds place. I'm going to decompose. So now I have 0 ones left. Bring it over to my tens place. Now I have 10 tens. I'm going to decompose. So I have 9 now. And now I have 10 ones. Now I am ready to subtract. So my ones place says 10 minus 7 is 3. My tens place says 9 minus 7 is 2. And I don't have any hundreds left, so my answer is 23 cents. I'm going to fill that in all my blanks. So now my number sentence says 23 cents plus 77 cents equals 100 cents. Okay? So aquí tenía que restar igual, así que escribí mi frase numérica, 100 menos 77, y lo puse aquí en mi enlace numérico. Y luego hice mi resta usando la tabla de valor posicional. Y mi respuesta fue 23 centavos, fue lo que llené aquí. Así es que 23 más 77 centavos son igual a 100 centavos. Okay. Alrighty guys, try this one on your own. So our blank here, our number sentence is blank plus 27 cents equals 100 cents. And here's a number bond already. Alright. So go ahead and try this one out by yourself. Think about what you need to do to figure out what goes in this blank. Alright, solve it and then push play when you're ready to check your work with me, alright? Resuelve este problema tú solo, pausa la video y luego regresas para revisar tu trabajo, okay? So, if I have blank plus 27 cents equals 100 cents, you guessed it, I'm going to subtract. So I'm going to rewrite my new number sentence, 100 cents minus 27 cents equals blank. And I'm going to fill in 27 cents here in my blank. Then I'm going to subtract using my place value chart. So I have hundreds, tens, and ones. 100 minus 27. And we're going to figure it out. So, again, my ones place, I don't have any ones up top. So I'm going to go to my tens place. I don't have any tens either. So I'm going to go to my hundreds place. And I'm decomposing. So now I have 0 hundreds left. And I bring my 10 tens over. Now I'm going to decompose that. And I have 9 tens left. Now I have 10 ones left. And I have 10 minus 7 in my ones place. 10 minus 7 is 3. My tens place has 9 minus 2, which equals 7. And I don't have any hundreds left. So my answer is 73 cents. Okay, I'm going to fill that in my blanks. 73 cents. Alrighty, good job, guys. So your exit ticket, okay, make sure you show your work in your notebook, take a picture, and submit to your portfolio, alright? Your number sentence is blank plus 64 cents equals 100 cents. Here's your number bond, so you have to draw the number bond as well and fill it in, okay? And show your work, and then take a picture and submit to your portfolio, okay? So, para tu exit ticket, lo vas a demostrar en tu cuaderno, le tomas foto y la entregas a tu portfolio, okay? Vas a resolver algo más 64 centavos es igual a 100 centavos. Dibuja y rellena el enlace numérico. Encuentra la respuesta que va aquí. Okay, le tomas foto y la entregas a tu portfolio en Class Dojo. Okay, alrighty guys, see you tomorrow.